So the Māori Report is a very good tool for us because we can really measure what the success has been against the outcomes desired. At the same time, where the weaknesses are and the strengths, we can use that as our advocacy around the table and our decision making for better results in terms of policy change and the likes.
This report holds really valuable information for local government, for businesses, for universities and education institutions, for Māori, for iwi, for hapu, for lots of NGOs, a whole lot of different organisations.
It is the first in a series of reports that will map progress over the 30-year span prescribed in the Māori Plan. While the indicators provide numeric quantification of the Māori position, the report also contains case studies that reflect Māori involvement in a range of roles and activities.
The significance of this report is not so much that it compares Māori and Pākehā performance. The more important point is that it will compare Māori performance today with Māori performance in 2019 and in 2022 and in 2025. Every 3 years, we would expect to see a report such as this appear.
We need to be able to measure success through our own aspirations and towards our own aspirations, and we need the evidence to be able to underpin our development, our policies and our interventions.
So some key encouraging findings would be, say, the number of Māori in tertiary education who are studying science, technology, engineering and mathematics, so that's encouraging. Household internet access is relatively high for Māori and Tāmaki Makaurau, so that's a useful lever. And also the number of the growing Māori economy within Tāmaki Makaurau, so that provides some potential. Maybe some key findings that will pose some challenges for Māori going into the future. Definitely the decline of te reo Māori within Tāmaki, but also the relatively high numbers of Māori who are not employed or engaged in training.
You know, I think our approach has been too reactionary because of the way our lands and our culture and everything has been alienated by local government and central government policy and procedures. And I think, you know, we're in a proactive space now, but we need to sort of have substantial things behind us to be able to advocate.
So it's not so much around measuring this is the state of Māori, but it's more so this is how we contribute to making Tāmaki Makaurau what it is, to making Aotearoa what it is, and that is definitely an untold story.